Nobody likes a bad connection, whether it's your GPS, your cell phone, or your computer. Molex can't fix all your connections, but when it comes to jumpers, the 0.50mm pitch Premo-Flex FS19 jumper cables offer superior retention for a robust flex to PCB connection. These jumper cables have a resistance of 730 ohms per kilometer, have a maximum operating current of 0.5 amps per conductor, a maximum operating voltage of 60 volts, and have a dielectric resistance of up to 200 volts AC. To provide excellent retention, these jumper cables provide ear tabs that protrude from the side, and this makes them ideal for high shock and vibration environments. The end of the connector is tin-plated to minimize contact resistance, and the cables are designed to mate with Easy-On FPC connectors for a complete interconnect solution. As such, these cables are ideal for use in multiple industries, including consumer, medical, automotive, and industrial.